This is a
everyone, welcome to Miss Mini in America. If you are new here to my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you. And then before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please watch this video to the end. For my returning subscribers, you are all highly welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you one of my favorite summer drink. It's called Piña Colada. I don't know if I'm correct, if that is the right pronunciation. But Piña Colada is originally from Puerto Rico, and it's been around since 1850. So today I'll be showing you a few of the ingredients that you need to get it right. So I'll be using rum or rum. So rum has so many different colors, but I choose to use the white one because it's rum with pineapple and coconuts. So today, this is my pineapple and my coconut milk. But you can use pineapple juice, but I choose to do mine from the scratch. So let's get right into it. First, I want to cut the pineapple. I already washed it, so I want to cut it. Peel it. Like this. This is how I clean it. I peel this very clean. So the next part is transfer it. I'm going to transfer the pineapple to my blender. Cover it. So time to blend. This is the reason why some people use the already made pineapple, because of you don't want to mess up your hand or anything like that. So now I'm gonna let it strain. And look at this. So we're gonna throw this away, and here is what I got. So now I leave the small one inside here. I just want the pineapple stuff inside. So I'm going to go ahead and add ice, coconut milk that I'm using. It's how it looks. I'm going to be using the milk on top of it, this white one. I'm just going to go ahead and put it here on top inside the blender. The next is rum. I'm gonna take it much like that. Put it aside. Now I'm gonna add my pineapple juice inside.
you see that person on the beats.
So this is what we have here. Look at that. How creamy is that? That looks so creamy.